Koto Evelyn. Nou nan
Road trip.
Evelyn, nou nan la ri.
Road trip.
Ti va chote sa nou nan betou. Alright.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Curleen and I'm taking over my little sister Charlene YouTube channel. Her first snow day in Boston. How do you feel?
Good.
She's lying. You sure you feel good?
Uh-huh.
She's enjoying herself, guys. Evelyn had to leave. She was only here for 3 days. Unfortunately, she missed the snow. But yes, it's snowing. It's snowing. And she has on 1,000 layers on, guys. She has on 1,000 layers. So don't let her fool you, okay? My hair look a little messy, but that's okay.
Mete sa ou mwen. Mete sa devan. Evelyn, sou pa atende nou, konen nou. Nan de yo. Oh my! Jezi woy, gyon ese ros.
Say hi, Sissy. Say hi, Sissy.
Hi.
This is the driveway, y'all. That's how it looks. This is up the street. They already put a lot of salt on the road, so the snow is melting. And this is her playing in the snow like a big little kid. Oh my God, look, I got snow on my lashes.
Touch it.
Oh Lord, Evelyn told her to touch it, guys, so she is touching it.
No, I touched it for Evelyn.
Oh, she's touching it for Evelyn. So please forgive me. This is my first YouTube video, and it probably would be my last because I don't do this type of stuff. Guys, look at her lashes. We got like snow in our lashes, guys. Look,
Oops.
snow in her lashes. Look at her lashes. She has snow in her lashes, guys. It is snowing in Boston in October because it's still October. Today is October 30th and it's still fall time, yet it's snowing. We're getting 2 inches of snow. It went from 1 inch to 2 inch. Charlene, you want to go back to Florida?
I don't think so.
Oh, she likes it here. She's not going anywhere. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm tired. It's time to go home. Actually, we're going on a road trip. We're going to P-Town. We call it P-Town. It's called Provincetown. And it's about 4 hours away. So it's a long drive. So we're about to take off. And it's not snowing in P-Town, guys. It's not snowing. It's raining, but it's not snowing in P-Town. Deuces.
Oh guys, na clean machine na. Pour nous prendre l'arrière pour nous. Ah ouais, Guillaume ne va arrêter la caille mes amis, c'est comme ça, connais. Pour mon papa gay, il fait jeu de petite ça ou pas cacher ta caille. Carré ta ontan. Et then, yo prend l'arrière pour yo. Ya en dehors pour 4 temps, guys.
No, we're coming back Sunday.
Oh yeah, guys. Tout fait ti malet yo. Yo prend l'arrière, y a tourné dimanche.
Sunday.
Yes. Oh, Jesus.
Weekend getaway. Babe!
Okay, good job, Julie. bon.
Laughing.
Bon pou di yo gen gran moun.
No, you gotta start up the car. Alright, let's go.
Ready?
Went up to 1 inch. And then
Yes,
they went
guys.
up to 2 inch.
Kanya nou nan la ri, guys. Nou nan la ri. Pou dimanche soir. Nou som la moun ki page kote pou nou dormi. Bakwe kalite to sa. Pou nou da pran la ri ya, mes amou. Ouf.
It's gonna be a bad, snowy winter.
I know, it started so early.
Yeah.
Could you say that?
Yeah.
Hang it.
Yeah. There was street before there.
Huh?
There was street before that truck.
Before the truck?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're about to walk to Starbucks.
Wal pou kafe Starbucks la, guys. Pou nou ka bwe. So, yote avek nou. Wal pou an wout, guys. 4 et do. Ale, 4 et nan toune. E nou kap toune jeudi, an nak toune dimanche. Rete pou a tout aktivite nan regle. Pendant weekend sa, guys. Weekend nou komanse depi jeudi. La fini dimanche soir. Von? Sa vote pou von, eh? Vote pou von? Ben me machin nan. Kafe a chaud. Kafe a chaud. Bon pase.
Hi guys, KK here again. We're on our way to P-Town. We got our coffee. She got her tea. Where's your tea? There's your tea. And hubby's driving all the way to P-Town. So we're just passengers. We're just passing through. The weather is still pretty dreadful. There you go, guys. More snow, more water. When we get to P-Town, it'll be much, much, much clearer. Just a little bit of rain. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's KK. And we're not here yet. Hubby's missing, yes. It's 2 out of 3. He's missing, guys. He left his cell phone at work. And so he had to stop by and go pick it up. He had to go fetch his cell phone. Guys, I'm suffering from acne on one side of my face. Tell me, what should I do? Tell me what to do. Say something, Shirley. Talk to the people.
Yo, today is not Shirley, it's
Talk
Shirley.
to the people.
It's not my day today.
I don't know why I took over her channel, guys, but I took over her channel. Yes. I took over her channel. I'm recording me talking. Alright, guys, we're on our way.
You put all that gross white stuff all over your hair.
I know, she put all kinds of stuff, people. She put all kinds of stuff on my hair. I had locks, I cut them. But anyways, yes. We're on our way. We're hitting a little bit of traffic. We're on the Mass Pike. We're almost there. Where are you, little one? Where are you?
Right here.
She's right there.
We're on Route 3 South.
We're on Route 3 South. Route 3
Hi, Mookie.
South. She said, hi, monkey.
Hi, monkey face.
Hi, monkey face. Just a tad bit of traffic, and it's still snowing, guys, but after this little stretch, it'll be all cleared, and we're about to go in the tunnel, so catch you guys later.
Guys, nou kite Boston kon ya, se Boston kite gen snow, pa gen snow ankor nan la ria. Nou kite Boston de kon ya, nou apren wout pou nou ale, nou pa ven snow ankor, paske kote nou pa ale a pa gen snow. Nou preske rive Besnamon, nou preske rive kote nou pa ale, hein. Nou pase nan yon store la, guys. Nou pase nan yon store pou nou al pran yon ti tafia pou sistem nan paske li vreman cold. Nou pase pran yon ti wom. Nou ap antre kote nou do ale. Nou ap antre. Nou ap antre kote nan zon nan.
She's got the blue water. You want to pick that up? Does she get the blue one?
So la nou ye, guys. Se la, nou ap pase ti tan. Nou ap toune dimanche, nou la pou 3 jou. Sa se chanm pa mwen. Kolozet mette rat, so le kon sa bite m vin habite isi, ya. And then, guys, sa se vadou pam. Yes.
Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Yes,
leave a
guys.
comment.